Hi, my name is Eric Alexander. I'm an application engineer here at Platypus. On today's edition of 30 on 3D, we're going to go through how easy it is to texture parts using GrabCAD Print Pro. Okay, now that we've brought our CAD file into GrabCAD, we're going to orient the face that we want to texture to the top plane. We'll go to our texture settings. We're going to select the face that we want to texture. And now we'll be able to choose any of these textures that we want. And we'll get this preview of the plane that it's projecting on. And since we oriented this face in the top plane, we'll just choose XY. It's just going to do a straight planar projection, which is good because this is a flat face. From here, we can scale up or down the texture, depending on what we're looking for. And we can rotate the texture as well. Can also change this max depth, which is going to be the maximum distance between the highest point, which would be the brightest white colors in the image, and the lowest point, which would be the darkest regions of the image. But in order to keep texturing, we'll just pick another face, orient it to the top, select that face, and we can choose a different texture. You can see here the plane it chose wasn't all that ideal, but that's okay. We can just tell it that we want it in the XY plane. And now one more, we'll go again, orient this to the top plane, go to our texture, select our face, choose a different one here, change that plane to XY. Maybe for this one we'll scale it down a lot, just to see that effect. Now I'm just going to quickly do the rest of these faces, and then we'll see the finished product shortly. Okay, so here's our finished product. We have 19 of the 20 sides of this shape textured, showcasing all 19 of the built-in bump maps here within GrabCAD Print Pro, and we're leaving that one untextured side to put directly on the platform for ease of printing. So as you can see, all our textures came out just like they looked on the computer screen. My personal favorite is this holographic weave looking one right here. There's definitely some other good ones as well. Thank you for watching today's edition of 30 on 3D. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and give us a call.